In this example, we will be evaluating the square root of 0.36. To do this, we first need to review how to turn a decimal into a fraction. In this case, our decimal is 0.36. To figure out how to turn this into a fraction, we want to look at our furthest decimal place value, which is hundredths place. So we'll write 36 over 100. Now that we have our fraction, we can rewrite the square root of 0.36 as the square root of 36 over 100. Before we continue, we need to review an important math rule, which is that the square root of a over b is equal to the square root of a divided by the square root of b. This means that if we have a fraction inside of a square root, we can rewrite it as the square root of the numerator divided by the square root of the denominator. Using this rule, we can rewrite the square root of 36 over 100 as the square root of 36 divided by the square root of 100. The square root of 36 is equal to 6, because 6 squared is equal to 36. The square root of 100 is equal to 10, because 10 squared is equal to 100. So our fraction is 6/10, or 0.6 as a decimal. We can reduce 6/10 by dividing both our numerator and our denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, while 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our answer, the square root of 0.36 is equal to 3/5 or 0.6.